Hi, I am Sybil. I am the Product Legislation Manager for Zealous Group. My background is over 25 years of working directly in payroll. So I'm now really lucky to be doing my passion as my day job, and that is to talk about payroll and HR legislation all day long. A typical week, it comprised firstly of being the main point of contact for my colleagues when dealing with more complex parts of payroll legislation. This could be based from a customer query in relation to our software and the interpretation of the legislation to our engineers who are building the coding software. I also spend a lot of my time with our product managers looking at system changes, improvements and future legislations, and supporting the future plans for the areas in the software that are legislation driven. I review current software to find areas that we can enhance or support our customers in being fully compliant. And during new feature builds, I may spend a lot more time with our engineers and QA teams to ensure that they have the relevant knowledge to be able to complete their roles. We have many great people in the business who also have to understand the more intricate parts of legislation to be able to support their clients. So I write and produce legislation training for them, either more in depth on a topic or just a refresh session. And some of my role will involve horizon scanning, and this means to check for future legislation and changes, possible tribunal cases that might have effect on the way the legislation is interpreted, draft legislations that may be put to the government in the future, and the effects this may have on software, on processing, and wider implications. I knowledge share these with the legislation champions throughout the business so everybody can be aware of these future changes. I also work with marketing and I'm active on LinkedIn, but these are more ad hoc, more sort of like monthly and when I have time. And with that, I'll mainly either proofread or produce articles for them, but occasionally also get to do articles for external publications.